Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hafizh Ramadhan, NIM 190739091. In this occasion, I will presentation about cause and effect. What is cause and effect? In English, the word cause means cause, while effect means effect. So we can conclude that cause is why something happens and effect is what happens. But in writing, the word cause is not always at the beginning of a sentence, neither is effect. Cause and effect function. Explain or provide information about something happening. To better understand the use of casual sentence in English, consider the explain below. Cause. Noun. Someone or something that makes something happen. The cause of the flood was the massive of unknown garbage thrown in the river. Verb. An activity that makes something happen. The massive amount of garbage thrown in the river caused the flood. Effect. Noun. A change which is the result of an activity or cause. The rain had an effect on her mood. Affect. When effect is used as a verb, it changes to affect. Verb. To produce an effect. Cause something to happen. The rain affected his mood. Cause and effect sentence in English. You can easily identify sentence that contain a cause and effect relationship if they contain word or parts such as due to, because of, owing to, thanks to, as a consequence of, a result of, because, signs, as, for. To express cause and effect in English, to above sentence or parts will usually be followed by a noun or verb. A cause and effect sentence followed by a noun. A cause and effect word followed by a noun or noun parts usually use a word or a parts such as because of, thanks to, as a result of, due to, as a consequence of, signal parts because of, cause, his gaming habits, effect, he is always late. 3. As a result of the rain, we canceled the outing. Signal parts as a result of, cause, the rain, effect, we cancelled the outing. 4. Dennis could not sing owing to his sore throat. Signal parts owing to, cause, his afternoon throat. Effect, Dennis could not sing. 5. She was dismissed as a consequence of her ignorance. Signal parts as a consequence of, cause, her ignorance. Effect, she was dismissed. A casual sentence followed by a verb. A cause and effect word followed by a subject plus verb or verb. Parts usually is a word or a parts such as because, since, as, for. In the example, the subject plus verb or verb parts will be underlined. Cause or cause is always written after the cause and effect parts, as in the example above. Below the common patterns, signal word or parts plus cause plus effect, or effect plus signal word or parts plus cause. Example 1. Because Bella was nervous, she did not pass the driving test. Signal parts because. Cause, Bella was nervous. Effect, she did not pass the driving test. 2. He is always late because he always stay up at night. Signal parts because. Cause, he always stay up at night. Effect, he is always late. 3. Dennis could not sing for his throat this afternoon. Signal parts 4. Cause, his throat is afternoon. Effect, Dennis could not sing. 4. She was dismissed as a consequence of her ignorance. Signal pass as a consequence of cause her ignorance. Effect, she was dismissed. In the next example, the noun or noun parts will be underlined. Cause or cause is always written after the cause and effect parts. As in the example above, below are common patterns: signal word or parts plus cause tambah plus effect, or effect plus signal word or parts plus cause. Example: due to Bella nervous, she did not pass the driving test. Signal parts: due to cause Bella nervous. Effect: she did not pass the driving test. I think it's enough for this presentation. I apologize if there is error. Hopefully it will be useful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.